What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sakib here from Mezik, and I will be focusing on a build that I'm calling for budget video editors. Oh yes, a lot of content creators out there are willing to make their videos, but they're very tight with the budget. They actually end up thinking that for rendering high quality videos they need a very high-end rig. Well, they need a very high-end rig, but for a starter, the PC that I've built right now is, I think, perfect and will cost you around 45,000 taka or $550. I went with an Intel Core i3-7100 processor that has 2 cores, but hey, it has hyper-threading technology and supports 16 GB of RAM. I also went with the Gigabyte H110M SPH motherboard, which is enough for this build. It's cheap and can cost around 5500 BDT. I also picked up a pair of G-Skill Ripjaws 5 DDR4 8GB sticks with 2400 bus. I recommend at least 16 GB for rendering purpose. For powering up the entire build, I took a CM350W PSU from Cooler Master, which can easily handle the load as long as we do not overclock. And as usual, a 1TB hard disk from Western Digital. I also bought the K380 mid-tower chassis from Cooler Master. The case is pretty decent and also comes up with a 120mm red LED fan. Oh, and of course you need a monitor for viewing the stuffs. So I went with the cheapest 1080p monitor from Dell, and that's called S2216H. That will cost you around 9,500 BDT or $120. So that was a short intro with the perks. Now let's enjoy the time lapse. So that sums up for today's video guys. If you like it, give it a big like, share the video, and do subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. Adios.